What's up? Welcome to our very first tutorial in our new iMovie making series. I'm super excited to kick off this and share some awesome tips with you. In today's tutorial, we're going to be diving into iMovie, the go-to tool. I've been using it for about a year and a half to create almost all of my videos. So why iMovie? Well, if you've got a Mac, you already have iMovie pre-installed, which means no extra cost. That's a real good win right there. The reasons to use iMovie. iMovie is packed with features that let you create high quality videos with ease. It's incredibly user friendly, which is one of the main reasons I love it. Plus there are tons of tutorials available, including this one to help you master it step by step. Getting started. Alright, let's jump in. For this first video, I'll walk you through the iMovie interface and show you how to start a new project. Ready? Let's go. First off, we're going to find the plus button that says create new movie or trailer. We're going to go click that and we're going to choose movie. Trailers are great for intros, but we want to create a full movie. Movie offers various themes, so we're going to go to settings and we go theme, and no theme. There's one called bright, there's bulletin board, there's a comic book, there's a film strip, one called modern, there's one called neon. It's like a CNN kind of news bulletin and newscast. Also do a photo album, a playful one, a scrapbook, simple, and a travel one. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on no theme and go to change. Looks pretty blank right now. On the left you'll see any video clips and pictures you've previously uploaded. If you're new, this area might be empty. To import some media, we're going to click the import media button. And this allows you to add pictures, videos and more to your project. If you want to organize your media, right click and select new event. This way you can keep everything tidy. So now I'm going to open up this and I'm going to import all selected. So I'm going to import all into this directory that I've created. To start editing, you drag a clip onto your timeline and you can press the spacebar to play it. The preview video shows your video in real time in the timeline where you'll make your edits. So let's explore the interface. This is our preview window and this is on our timeline. If you need to add audio, click the audio tab at the top. Audio and video tab, you can see this is the music up here. This is music that's been imported into iTunes, so we're going to click on sound effects. And you can see there's sound effects up here, so we can click on bell transition and it plays a little bell sound. Cartoon ascending. Horse gallop. There's also like stingers. Cartoon trampini. Cartoon space wing. But another cartoon one. Some jingles. We'll see what there is. Tennessee Twister medium. Half Moon Bay Long. Good thing about these stuff preloaded onto iMovie, it's royalty free, so you won't get a copyright strike if you use it for YouTube or some other source. So here's another one. And if you want to drag one, if you want to drag one on, you just drag it onto your timeline like that. As you can see, it's over there, so we could only have a place so we can click there and click our spacebar. It just gives you an idea how you can use sounds and sound effects, jingles, stingers. I'll show you how to sync audio and make precise edits in future tutorials. For now, we've just explored the iMovie sound library, and we've added some effects into our project. This is it for our first tutorial. Make sure you update your iMovie to the latest version to follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming videos. See you next time.